Hello everyone, here is today's problem, which is suitable for beginners. Solve x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 equals 6. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. Note that 1 times 2 times 3 equals 6. So if x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4 equals 6, then we can let x equals -1. So if x equals to -1, then clearly x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4 equals 6, meaning that x equals -1 is a solution. Then clearly this is a cubic equation. How to get the other two answers? We may let u to be x plus 3. So x plus 2 equals u minus 1. X plus 4 equals u plus 1. So the original equation becomes u minus 1, u plus 1 equals 6, which means that u squared minus 1 equals 6, u power 3 minus u minus 6 equals 0. We know that x equals to -1 is a solution, meaning that u equals to 2 is a solution. And therefore, u minus 2 will be one of the factor. Factorize it. This is u squared and this is plus 3. In order to get rid of u squared, so this is -2u and that should be plus 2u. Let's just check for u, that is 3u minus 4u, that is -u, that's correct. So meaning that u equals to 2 or u squared plus 2u plus 3 equals 0. And for u squared plus 2u plus 3 equals 0, we can complete the square and get u plus 1, the whole thing square equals -2. So u plus 1 equals plus minus square root of 2i. And therefore u equals to -1 plus minus square root of 2i. And since u equals to x plus 3, so x will equal -4 plus minus square root 2i. Or the other one will be x equals to -1. So that's all for today's short video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.